National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Yelp County in north central Texas, northwestern Hood County in north central Texas, southeastern Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, Parker County in north central Texas, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms. These storms were located along a line extending from 5 miles east of Boonville to 7 miles south of Gordon, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Morgan Mill around 5:30 p.m., Springtown and Wapan around 5:45 p.m., Bryan around 6:10 p.m., Reno, Weatherford and Hudson Oaks around 6:15 p.m. This will impact Interstate 20 between mile markers 360 and 406. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside.